Poway is home to a vibrant Jewish community, boasting 3 synagogues like Temple Adat Shalom here, Ner Tamid, and Chabad of Poway. But they also have a great senior center that reaches out to all seniors, Jewish and non-Jewish alike.
Hi, I'm Abby Barretto. I'm a board member with the Poway Senior Center here in Poway, California. Welcome to our senior center. I know it doesn't look like a typical senior center, but today we are having one of our bi-monthly rummage sales. It's a fundraiser for our seniors. We raise money for programming, and unfortunately, there's not much of that going on. Although we are interactive with our seniors at the moment, none are coming in here for the activities that we typically offer. Through the COVID months here, we've been receiving donations from our community, a lot of home estates, people who are moving, people who have passed on, people who have been cleaning out during this time. And so we placed them in this building temporarily to raise funds. What do we raise funds for? Programming. What is programming? Programming are things like art class, yoga, nutrition classes. We serve meals. We have flu clinics. We have tax time clinics where seniors can come in and get their taxes done at a reduced fee. None of these things are happening right now, but what we are doing is building the kitty for when we do return to normal activities at the senior center at our new location back at the community center. The senior community is a community that has already given to the area in which they live, and I think sometimes we forget that. They're a society that needs that love and support. Maybe their family has moved away, and really they only are what they have within themselves. So it's very important for us, and it's a passion of ours here on the board, that we're able to offer these moving forward when we do reopen. We enjoy the seniors, we enjoy their stories, and we care. We want to be able to help you. We are here until about May 2021. We hope that we can carry on with this type of fundraiser after the new community center opens and the senior center reopens within there, and that seniors can come back and resume those activities. We're quite passionate about this. We started this on a fluke, and now it has turned into a full-time volunteer position where about 7 to 9 of us are working about 450 hours a month, volunteering our time to raise these funds. They are much needed funds. Listen, we are about 7 girls who move you. Do you have furniture or house goods or anything? We come, we have a box truck, we're strong, we know how to do it. We work the moving matrix now, and it's amazing to actually see us in action. We're pretty funny, we keep it light, and when you come in here to shop or to see what we have to offer here, you can't believe that we moved all of this stuff. And sometimes people buy things and then they return them, and we have moved them twice. I'm sure we will see this eggplant chair over here several more times. Okay. We love community support. We service about 200 seniors here in the Poway area. You don't necessarily need to be from Poway to be a member of our center, which is a nice thing. Not every city offers a senior center. If you have a senior in this area that might need some help, please feel free to call us. If we can't help you directly from here, we can direct you to the resources that can help. 211 is a great resource out there too for any of you watching this now. They can direct you as well. We hope to see you down here at our bi-monthly rummage sale. Come shop, come donate, come see us. We thank you so much for supporting the Poway Senior Center.